you understand English. You watch English videos, you listen to English conversations, you can understand many words. Sometimes you can even understand everything someone says. But when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Your mind suddenly becomes empty. You know the words, you know the grammar, but you cannot build a sentence quickly. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not bad at English, and you are not alone. In this video, you will learn exactly why you understand English, but still cannot speak it confidently. And more importantly, you will learn what you can do about it. Let's begin. The first reason is simple. You have trained your English brain to receive but not to produce. Think about listening. When you listen to English, you only need to recognize the words. Someone else creates the sentence. You simply understand it. This is called passive English. You listen, you read, you understand. But speaking is different. Speaking is active English. You must find the words. You must create the sentence. You must choose the grammar. And you must say everything quickly. That is a completely different skill. It is like watching football and playing football. You can watch hundreds of games, but that does not mean you can play like a professional. Understanding English is not the same as speaking English. So, what should you do? You need to practice producing English. Not only listening to English. For example, after you hear a sentence like, I usually drink coffee in the morning. Don't just understand it. Say it. Then change it. I usually drink tea in the morning. I usually read in the morning. I usually study English in the morning. This simple practice teaches your brain to create English sentences. The second reason is that you are translating too much. You think in your first language. Then you translate your idea into English. For example, you want to say something. First, you think in your language. Then you search for the English words. Then you think about the grammar. Then you worry about making a mistake. And by the time you are ready, the conversation has already moved on. This is why speaking feels slow. You are not only speaking English, you are also translating at the same time. So, start with simple English thoughts. When you wake up, think, I am tired. I need water. Where's my phone? I have to go to work. I am making breakfast. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. You are training your brain to connect your thoughts directly to English. The third reason is fear. Many learners know more English than they think, but they are afraid to use it. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about grammar. They worry that someone will laugh. So, they stay silent. But here is the truth. You cannot become a better speaker without speaking. You will make mistakes. That is normal. Every fluent speaker made mistakes while learning. Mistakes are not proof that you are bad at English. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. So, stop waiting until your English is perfect. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You only need enough English to start. Say one sentence, then another. Speak slowly. Speak simply. And keep going. The fourth reason is that you are learning too many words but not using them. You may know thousands of English words, but if you never use them, they stay in your passive vocabulary. You recognize them when you hear them, but you cannot quickly use them when speaking. So, don't only learn new words. Use the words you already know. Choose 5 words today. For example, busy, happy, need, want. Because. Now make sentences. I am busy today. I am happy because I finished my work. I need some time. I want to improve my English. This is how passive vocabulary becomes active vocabulary. The 5th reason is that you are practicing English only in your head. You may think, I will speak English tomorrow. I will practice when I have more time. I will start when my English is better. But speaking ability does not grow from thinking about practice. It grows from actual practice. You do not need 1 hour every day. Start with 10 minutes. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Explain what you are doing. Tell a simple story. For example, today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast. Then I started working. In the evening, I watched a video. This is not difficult English, but it is real speaking practice. And if you do this every day, your brain will slowly become faster. Remember this. You understand English because you have trained your listening and reading skills. You cannot speak English because you need more practice producing English. The solution is not always more grammar. It is not always more vocabulary. Sometimes the solution is simple. Listen less passively. Speak more actively. Think in simple English. Use the words you already know. And do not be afraid of mistakes. Your English is not stuck. Your brain is simply waiting for more speaking practice. So, start today. Speak for 5 minutes. Speak slowly. Speak imperfectly. But speak. Every sentence you say is training. Every mistake is progress. And one day, you will notice something amazing. You will stop translating every sentence. You will stop searching for every word. And English will begin to come naturally. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and comment below. What is the biggest problem you have when speaking English? I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And remember, you do not need perfect English to start speaking. You need to start speaking to become better at English.